This guy's going the wrong way in a roundabout, no problem. There we go, we did it. We did it. And it won't wheelie at all. The most popular bike, right there. Pulsar 200. Man, it is absolutely crazy out here. I cannot, like, I don't think any Canadian or United States vlogger has been out here like this, man. Yeah, the most raw. This guy's holding his shopping right there. So we have like big bikes compared to other people, right? Like, yeah, these are like 4 times the size. That's right. The girls like cocks like they like the bikes. 4 times the size. Okay. So he just told me to maintain a little bit of distance because there's a hill here that people don't know how to use, like hill assist. They don't have hill assist. They drive standard cars, and so apparently they roll back. So apparently it's pretty funny. So we'll check this out. Oh, Mercedes-Benz! Wow, that's nice. Silver Star, Mercedes-Benz, India. Yes. Yeah, so that's a traffic cop right there.
Try popping a wheel, yeah?
What?
Try popping a wheel.
I can't. This thing is so shit. I need the Duke 390. Yesterday I did wheelies, or 2 days ago I can do a wheelie, but this one is so shit. You do a wheelie.
I don't. Sorry.
So we have the green arrow. Why is cars still coming? Because they're running red lights, right? Yeah. That's crazy out here, man. You can't even go on a green light. Man, Americans would shit themselves over here, man. Uh-oh, really? That bus is like gonna kill me, man. Yo! This is so fun, dude. Whoa, my goodness, that car almost took me out. This is so fun. The wide handlebars make this bike so fun, man. This guy's doing a U-turn right in front. This guy's doing a U-turn right in the middle of the road, blocking everyone. Gay! Oh my goodness. Look at this guy right here. If you just like look right past them and like just keep your speed, they won't walk in front of you. They know you're coming in hot, you know? Coming in hot. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, those are nice. Yeah, very nice here. Oh, you got spotted. Ooh, he's popular. Popular YouTuber. You're not even on your own bike though. Same thing happens to me. I get spotted too, not on my bike. It's like, how do they know, you know? It must be the helmet, the camera. Yeah. Oh yeah. I like my girls like I like the traffic. Jammed all the way. Oh. Man, I could drive anywhere now I've driven here. You know what I mean? I can drive anywhere. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Nice. It's so warm out here, man. Well, he's just blocking me. For what reason? Get in your lane, man. He's like pretty much wanted to drive right into me. Look at this car. His car's lane splitting with us. Yeah. So I always go like this. Sup.
You gotta shut that down like this.
Sup. Yeah, I'll follow you. The clutch feels funny. We'll keep an eye on it. It was like clunking. It was like clunk, 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 clunk. Maybe it's just getting too hot. Yeah, there it is again. Look. No, come here, come here. It's doing it right now. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. That's a diamond shaped, someone lives there. That's a house, boys and girls. That's insane. That's crazy, man. That's someone's house. It looks like a diamond. I wonder who built that for him. Hello. Yo, 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 and yo. That bus is jam-packed, boy. They don't even look where they're going, you know? They just... Yeah, look for them. Yeah. I'm stuck back a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's a Dominar, not a Dominator. I've been calling it Dominator all day. So it's a Dominar, not a Dominator. I've been saying Dominator all day. Nice Dominar. There we go. So this is actually a Bajaj Dominar. That sounds more, you know, Indian. Dominator is too white, you know. It's hot as fuck when we stop, man. Nice. Yeah. This Honda's like all up in everyone's business. Just to join in, you know? Yeah, this Honda guy's honking. He got his high beams on, he's driving so aggressive. And now he wants to lane split. Look at this. Fuck everyone. Yes, I'm right beside you. Yep, I'm right. Got the Porsche right here. Even that thing's got lots of like. Even though he's got lots of like dents on that thing, ugh. This guy's in 2 lanes, like why don't they just stick to 1 lane instead of driving in 2 lanes? It's so weird, man. It's so weird. Ah, there we go, some fresh air.